Hi everyone, how are you today? I went outside and I was trying to read this story outside, but there were so many cars driving by. It seems like today is a really nice day to go for a drive. I hope that you're doing well and I hope that you'll enjoy this story. Today's story is Swirl by Swirl, Shapes in Nature. It's written by Joyce Sidman with pictures by Beth Krommes. She's the same woman who drew the pictures for the story The House in the Night. We read that earlier in the last couple weeks. Swirl by swirl, spirals in nature. Can you see all these spirals on this page? Look at the way everything has a swirl. Swirl by swirl, spirals in nature. A spiral is a snuggling shape. It fits neatly in small places. Coiled tight, warm and safe, it waits. I wonder if you can see any spirals in these pictures. Here's a spiral. This little chipmunk is in a spiral. What else do we see? The snake here. And then we see another snake here, all underground. Coiled safe, waiting for a chance to expand. Do you see all those animals that we saw underground? All stretched out now? Here's the snake all stretched out, and the chipmunk, and the squirrel. And look, here's even a little mouse all stretched out. A spiral is a growing shape. It starts small and gets bigger, swirl by swirl. Do you see how there's little spirals? And they get bigger and bigger. These are called, I think these are squid. No, they're not. They're called swimming nautilus. That's a really fascinating animal. It seems to live underground, or not underground, under the ocean. It unwraps itself, one soft curl at a time. Have you ever seen these plants before? These are ferns. These ones are called lady ferns. There's a little label here. It says lady fern. A spiral is a strong shape. Its outer curves protect what's inside. Here. There's a fox coming up to a hedgehog. And the hedgehog is safe because its outer curves protect what's inside. And it's the same over here with some millipedes and a snail. It knows how to defend itself. Do you see how these horns on the sheep could be used to help them? A spiral reaches out too, exploring the world. This is an octopus. The octopus's spiral tentacles, or spiral arms, reach out to the world. And it's the same over here, the seahorse. Their spiral tails reach out to hold on to the seaweed. And it clings tight, grasping what it needs. It never has trouble holding on Do you see the monkey holding on with his spiral tail? And the elephant holding on with its spiral trunk? A spiral is a clever shape. It is graceful and strong. Do you know how strong spider webs are? They're very strong. Have you ever seen a spider web before? Next time you go outside on a walk, I invite you to look for one. A spiral is bold. Do you see the spirals in the ocean? And a spiral is beautiful. You can see the spirals in the flowers. Do you see here how this spiral in the sunflower goes around and around and around? A spiral moves. It swirls through water, gathering bubbles. Right here. It twists through the air with clouds on its tail. Do you see all those clouds? And that twisty, turvy tornado? It stretches starry arms through space, spinning and sparkling, forever expanding. Look how far those sun's beams go and the stars twirl. This looks like our galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy. Or it curls up, neat and small. Warm and safe. A spiral is a snuggling shape. The end. Look at all the different ways that we can see more about all the things that twist and turn in this book. All the spirals in this story. That's my story for today. I hope when you go outside next time and you maybe go on a walk, you can look and see if you can find any snails, or maybe any ferns that are twisting and turving, or maybe you can find a flower that has a spiral. If you find anything that has a spiral, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.